guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a short tutorial on key tips and keyboard shortcuts in Revit software. So this is my first video in YouTube. So if you guys find this video useful, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, I have just opened my new Revit file, project file here. To do that, you just have to go to this file bar and then go to new and then click project, click OK. That's it. Now you have a new project file here. I'm going to close the old one. No. Okay. So Keytips is a way of accessing this area. See this area using your keyboard. This area includes the quick access toolbar, the application menu and the ribbons. So to access this area you just have to press the key alt in the keyboard. So I'm going to press the alt key. There you go, you can see the key tips 1 2 3 etc for this quick access toolbar, and then FARES etc for this area. So if you want to select the command wall, you just have to press A first, which means architecture, because wall comes under architecture. So I'm going to press A first, and then there you can see W, which means wall. I'm going to press W now. Okay, there you go, you can see these options: wall architectural, wall structural, wall by face, and I'm going to select this wall architectural now. I'm going to draw wall. Okay, I'm going to press escape now. There you go, now you have the walls. Now let's talk about the keyboard shortcuts. To access the keyboard shortcuts menu, you have to go to the view bar first and then go to user interface and then go down, click keyboard shortcuts. There you go, there you have the keyboard shortcuts menu. So you can see the search bar here. You just have to type the command name you are looking for here. So for example, if I am looking for the command properties, I will just type properties here, and all the commands related to properties will show up here. And then okay, and then let's talk about this filter. You can see all defined, all not defined, all reserved filters here. If you select all commands in the Revit software with or without shortcuts will show up here. So as you can see, some have the shortcuts. For example, modify have a shortcut MD, but some doesn't have. So these are the commands with or without shortcuts. So let's go to all defined now. All defined, these are the commands which have shortcuts assigned to them. So these are changeable. Okay, if you want to change the shortcut for this command, you can just change it. So to do so, you just have to press here, click here, and then wait, okay, and then click remove and then press new keys like whatever you want and then assign. So that's how you customize the shortcuts for these commands. And then let's go to all not defined. So these are the commands which doesn't have any shortcuts as of now. Okay, and these you can add shortcuts if you want. So for example, if you want to add a shortcut for this family type, you just have to click on that command and then press new keys and then click assign. That's how you add shortcut. So let me search for the 3D command. Okay, now I'm going to add a new shortcut for this 3D view command. So I am just clicking on this first and then going to add new keys 3D. Okay, and then click assign. There you go. Now you have a shortcut for the command 3D. Now let's go to the reserved one. So these are the commands which have reserved shortcuts. You cannot change these shortcuts. Those are the reserved ones. For example, for undo, control plus Z and etc. Wait, everything. These cannot be changed. So that's how you customize your keyboard shortcuts. Now let me click OK. Let us check if 3D view is working or not. I'm going to type 3D now. There you go. You have the 3D view now. So you have the 3D view of this wall here. So that's how you customize the keyboard shortcuts, and that's all about the key tips. So that's all for now. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.